Come with us and check out the Park Hyatt in Busan. We actually stayed here twice during our visit to Busan, and we're about to give you a tour of both rooms. We will also show you the amenities, the buffet breakfast, room service, the stunning views, and how we booked. To get to Busan, we took Korea's high-speed train, the KTX, from Gwangmyeong. Once we arrived at Busan Station, we took a taxi to the Park Hyatt. There's a waiting line on the side of the train station, and while some of the taxi drivers did make comments about our luggage, we made it to the hotel just fine. However, if we were to do this again, we'd consider booking a private transfer in advance. When we arrived, we were greeted by the staff who promptly took our luggage out of the taxi. To get to the lobby, you take the elevator to the 30th floor. This is also where the cafe, the lounge, is located. At check-in, we were informed that our room was upgraded to a family suite. To get to the guest rooms and suites, we take a different set of elevators down. All rooms are located between floor 6 and 29. We stayed at both the family suite and the premium family ocean suite. This is the family suite. The first thing that stands out are the floor-to-ceiling windows and the gorgeous views. There's a large living area with a mini bar and complimentary coffee and tea. And my personal favorite, complimentary cookies that are replenished on a daily basis. And they were so delicious. There's also a lot of different Korean-inspired decor details. In the bedroom, we have a queen bed and a single bed with a crib, as well as a walk-in closet. The bathroom is beautiful with 2 sinks, a huge bathtub, and a separate shower with lavabo products. For the kids, they had this really cute and thoughtful welcome amenity setup which they loved, and then traditional cookies for us as well.
Gonna open this first. This is for the kids. Here it says certified organic. Body lotion and Wash and shampoo. Open the box.
It's in the box.
I think it's cookies. Let's see. Yeah. Oh yes, they're traditional cookies, but they're really good ones.
Oh.
Yeah. Different flavors.
Wow.
So like this one, for example, is I think that's pine nuts.
Oh, pine nuts. Okay.
Pistachio.
Wow. Okay.
What is peanut?
Yep.
Sesame seeds. Seaweed. These cookies are really good. I'm really excited. Grateful.
Here's a look at the Premium Family Ocean Suite. It is similar in size but with a different layout. But what really makes this a premium suite is the view from the bedroom. Just spectacular. And since we were celebrating my birthday, they provided us with champagne, fruit, and traditional Korean cookies. Breakfast is served at the dining room on the 32nd floor. Only once did we have to wait a couple minutes for a table. Breakfast is complimentary for Globalists or if you book through Hyatt Privé. It's a combination of buffet and made-to-order items. They also provided cute cutlery for the kids. Here's what we ordered for room service. Service was always prompt and the food was great. The biggest selling point of the Park Hyatt Busan is definitely the incredible views. And while you might get a marina view from your room, you'll be able to get a different view from one of their restaurants. At the Park Hyatt Busan, there's an indoor pool, sauna, and gym. But we didn't make use of these amazing facilities, and in hindsight, we probably should have. But we were so busy exploring Busan that we didn't have time to do so. Right behind the hotel, there are a couple small playgrounds for kids and a bigger playground walking distance. There's also multiple convenience stores and restaurants nearby. For the first stay, we stacked 2 promotions. We took advantage of a fortnight free promo and combined this with a $150 credit offer on one of our American Express credit cards. We paid $793.58, and with the $150 credit, this came out to $643.58 for 4 nights, or about $161 per night. Our second stay we booked through Hyatt Privé. For this we paid $334.14 for 1 night and received the equivalent of $100 in property credit, which we used towards dining. There's definitely more locals and fewer international guests at the Park Hyatt Busan. Service was high quality with an outsized value in globalist benefits. The Park Hyatt Busan is also very considerate of kids, which we always appreciate. Stay tuned for our next review on another luxury hotel in Busan. See you in the next video. Bye!